Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best electronics cleaner to keep your gadgets clean on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. C Electronics Cleaner. The C Electronics Cleaner is a high-quality cleaning product for a variety of surfaces. This petroleum distillate/alcohol-based precision cleaner is a stellar alternative to CFC-based cleaners. This option works its magic on sockets, plugs, relay switches, and more. This product is an absolute godsend for connectors and sensitive electronic equipment. This electronics cleaner works to safeguard your gear and ward off contact failure. It's also plastic safe and leaves no residue. Gone are the days of messy residues because this cleanser evaporates quickly, meaning less downtime between chores. From circuits, computer components, and coin mechanisms to fiberglass, plastics, and nylon, this cleaner has you covered. It's also perfect for those tricky-to-clean items like PVC, PTFE, tape heads, and terminals. Number 2. Whoosh Electronics Cleaner. Don't let smudges and fingerprints ruin your viewing experience on your favorite devices. The Whoosh Electronics Cleaner is a game-changer, bringing new life to every screen in your home or office. This exceptional solution, with its convenient refillable bottle, is perfect not only for electronic devices like smartphones, iPads, and laptops, but also for eyeglasses and LED or LCD screens. Just a quick spritz and a wipe with one of the included cloths, and your screens get a new lease on life. Gone are the days of smudgy screens and cloudy glasses. This product truly is the best of its kind for restoring display shine. This electronic cleaner is functional and user-friendly. The kit comes with 2 cleaning cloths, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Number 3. Miracle Brands Electronics Cleaner. Get ready to see your electronics in a whole new light with the Miracle Brands Electronics Cleaner. This marvel in a bottle isn't just another run-of-the-mill screen cleaner. It's a complete kit that includes a plush microfiber towel, promising an unmatched level of cleanliness for all your electronic devices, including TVs, phones, monitors, keyboards, screens, and computers. This electronic cleaner is especially effective against fingerprints. No more smudge marks clouding the screen or diminishing your device's sleek appearance. This option brings back the pristine look your electronics had when they were fresh out of the box. It's safe to use on multiple surfaces, so you don't have to worry about damaging your gadgets. Number 4. BW100 Electronics Cleaner. If you want to keep your electronics looking their best, try the BW100 Electronics Cleaner. This dynamic quick-drying cleaner is perfect for reviving unresponsive buttons and ensuring your Joy-Cons, computers, PCB, and more run as smoothly as the day you bought them. This option isn't just a cleaner. It's a problem solver, removing dust, dirt, and contaminants swiftly and effectively. With a generously sized can, you'll have enough to keep your gadgets grime-free for a while. What sets this choice apart from other electronic cleaners is its non-flammable formula. It's as safe as it is efficient. You can clean your electronics without having to worry about causing damage. It's like a breath of fresh air for your devices, restoring their functionality and extending their lifespan. Number 5. Flitz Electronics Cleaner. The Flitz Electronics Cleaner is an effective cleaning spray that can handle all of your devices. This spray works quickly to remove fingerprints, dirt, dust, grease, and oils from your screens and keyboards. This option is easy to use. Simply spray your device with the cleaner and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. The powerful cleaning formula easily removes grease and grime, leaving a cleaner screen behind. This electronics cleaner won't leave annoying streaks behind. It doesn't contain ammonia or alcohol, so it won't irritate your skin or damage your device. This cleaner is water-based, so it's a gentle formula that's safe for use around kids and pets. You can also use this cleaner on acrylic, glass, and plastic. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.